The hooligans and the thugs will be crushed with an iron hand. They will be made to curse the day they are born. The lawbreakers and their abettors will soon realize they are playing with fire. The hooligans and the thugs will be crushed with an iron hand. They will be made to curse the day they are born. Mobocracy cannot derail democracy on the street. We are determined, the state is determined to put an end to this arson and looting. The lawbreakers and their abettors will soon realize they are playing with fire. Reinforcement of forces has already rushed to the spot. The culprits will be booked tonight itself and put behind bars. We are determined. This kind of hooliganism, which thwarts democratic processes, will be coffined and the last nail driven deep.